What are you doing, Cindy? As though I did something wrong in him body slamming me.
I will be glad to go for all of the texts back and forth with you, but I'm going to
No back and forth. It's one
Okay.
way.
All right, but I will record the conversation for my protection.
If you're back to that, then just leave.
Well, I don't trust you to get it
Please,
straight.
don't keep rubbing it in and making it worse.
No. Let me read them to you, and I'll give my response.
Just leave.
Just leave?
Yep.
Why, I've got nothing to be ashamed of in anything I would say.
If you're back to the recording issue,
I'm going to have to record for my protection, Cindy.
leave!
This is my house.
Leave!
No, this is my house.
Leave!
I don't want to leave.
Leave!
I'd like to get some resolution.
No, you don't.
Yes, I really do.
Start out by recording.
Yes, I'm recording right now. I have to for my
You
protection.
do not have to. That is an insult from the get-go.
You don't.
We all know, guys, that all healthy marriages, they record each other, right? So, right?
Record our conversation.
I don't want to. You won't leave, and I will.
Well, you continually called me a liar this
Shut
morning.
up. There's not a single text that says anything about it.
Oh, you were yelling out of the bathroom while I was walking out. Liar, 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 liar. Weren't you when you were getting in the shower this morning?
It was.
You were. I didn't lie.
Why didn't you respond to the text? Isn't that what you just said you were
I
going
was
to
just
do?
about to do that, and you told me to leave.
Because you're recording it.
But that's nothing
That's
to do
not love.
with. Neither is what I'm hearing from you.
Yes, it is.
Well, this is
If
love.
I didn't love you, I wouldn't care.
Well, then
You're
show it.
treating me like crap and accusing me from the get-go that you have to protect yourself from me. That is a lie from the pit of hell.
There you go again.
Take your recorder and get out.
Okay.
For context, guys, this is the guy that his last wife left him, I think after like 6 months or marriage or something, like maybe 9 months. And she said the exact same things as this lady. This lady's named Cindy, I guess, another ex-wife. I didn't know he got married again, but apparently this one lasted like 3 years. And it's funny, Bill Maher had a saying at one point that I thought was good. Where there's this much smoke, there's bound to be a fire. And he's got 3 ex-wives in a row, basically, all saying he's a monster. So it's, it's funny. I don't believe it for a minute that he's acting like the victim. He's claiming that she's the one that flipped out and is, I mean, I can spot a manipulator, and I can just tell by the guy's tone that he's feigning being this nice, really cool, calm guy. It's like he's acting. It's like he's acting in a movie. And I've had family members that do that. I have certain family members that my entire life, that's what they do. Every time they retell a story, they feign being the good guy. I was just this perfect little angel, and then Mike came along. The sound of Kent Hovind's voice here reminds me of that.
And be glad you have something on me with your little smirky smile.
I am not trying to smirk or smile.
You are smiling.
You are angry and bitter.
I'm
and
angry
contentious.
because you just started the conversation with an insult.
Not an insult.
Yes, it is.
All you've done over this whole thing is insult me, Cindy, calling me a liar 50 times.
Get that damn recorder out of here. If you don't want to make up with your wife, then don't. And now you're...
I mean, that would be very upsetting. To have someone who supposedly loves you and cares about you, and they're just holding a phone like this. They're literally, I mean, unless it's, called for, unless there's a good reason for it. I mean, if you're just like holding a phone and speaking all calm, and apparently he's smirking throughout too.
Smiling
That would
again.
be very upsetting as someone who's supposed to love you. That would hurt. Come on.
Because you're so happy, I swore. Now you got something else on me. Play it on the internet and say, everybody, this is why I had to leave my wife.
I will be glad to go for all of the texts back and forth with you, but I'm going to
No back and forth. It's
Okay. All right, but I will record the conversation for my protection.
No desire to reconcile whatsoever.
I have every desire to reconcile.
You do not.
I also have a ministry to protect.
That is a lie from the pit of hell.
I don't have a ministry to protect.
Not from me. I'm your number one fan. I'm your number one heart. I have the same heart for this ministry. Turn off the damn recorder.
I'm sorry, I won't do that.
Obviously you don't care.
Well, let's get
You
it.
have no heart.
No, I care very much.
You have no heart.
Let's get another witness in here then.
You have no heart. You have no love. You have no Holy Spirit. Hate! I hate you!
Why? I've done nothing but good
Yes!
for you.
Oh, that is a big lie!
I don't understand why you let the bitterness rule in your heart.
Because you are ugly!
What have I done ugly to you?
Why are you recording?
Because listen, I have to protect myself.
That's a lie!
You don't have to protect myself?
That is a lie! Get out! Get out! Get out!
This is my house!
Get rid of the damn phone!
What are you doing, Cindy? Why would you jump on me and grab me, Cindy? Come on, let me help you out. There's no reason to get violent. Come on.
Shut up, you asshole! Give me the goddamn phone!
I'm not going to give you.
Give me the phone!
I'm not going to stop recording, and I'm not going to.
Give me the phone! Give it to me!
So, as a reminder, this is the guy who, he was sentenced to 9 years jail time for tax fraud, and right after he was released, I can't remember what year it was, 2018 or something, his wife divorced him immediately, and he made a big spectacle about it, and, you know, got all this donation money out of sympathy and all this, and his family has remained silent. They haven't said anything. But obviously they have good reason. Like, none of them talk to him. His son has his own ministry. He doesn't talk to him. I mean, it has to be a reason. I always thought it was just because he was going to continue with his same old crap that got him in trouble in the first place. I thought that's why they were trying to distance themselves. But it turns out it was way more than that. It sounds like probably more to do with the type of abuse that he has displayed against his two wives. Over the past few years.
Give it to me! Then turn it off! Ah!
That's just 3 years of abuse right there, that emotion. Manipulation.
I did!
And meanwhile, he's just playing this good guy, this really nice, oh, why would you do that, Cindy? Oh, why would you do that? And apparently he was smirking throughout, too. I don't know where that part is.
Wow.
No desire to reconcile.
You can tell that he accuses me of throwing the chair at him when all I did was push it to the ground. You can also tell I'm extremely upset. I did try and grab his phone. I did wish I could destroy that stupid phone. I would have bought him a new one. I felt extremely violated, disrespected, and I could foresee that my marriage and the life that I had was about to be over. He would not deal with me on a heart-to-heart basis. He was nothing but this yucky, slimy, cold robot out to